tail is up. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. Stay right there. He's already circling. Step on the leash. That's right. Step on it. There you go. When a dog touches an object, it empowers him because he followed through. He didn't just warn the object like he warns the helicopter. The lawnmower has a lot more power in a negative way and at the same time in a positive way. Because if I can control him in front of the lawnmower, I have more points than if I control him in front of the helicopter. In situations with dogs like Assy, it's essential for me to stop him with a physical touch. So the touch with my foot is really important to me because I block him from intensifying. Hold on, let me take him away. All right. All right. Okay, Neo. We don't have the barking, but we still have the pacing. The pacing is just as bad as the barking.
It's something else.
It's weird. It's insane.